This is a great question where we could spend a lot of time doing all of the work. But if that's you, you need to know that you're not going to get through as many questions as you're capable of. So you have to constantly be on the way to look to streamline the question and do less math. Work smarter, not harder. So what I want to stress to you here is, again, this is coming through as a hard question. Questions in the math section increase with that order of difficulty. If we have 45 questions, it means that 31 through 45 are our more challenging questions, higher degree of difficulty. They don't earn us more points though, but they either take more time or they have more advanced math in them. In this case, this is a take more time question. If I know my job is to add fractions, the first thing that I need in order to add my fractions is my least common denominator. We can find the least common denominator by the smallest value that both of our denominators go into, such as if I had 12 and 24, they'd both go into 24. It's not always going to be multiplying my denominators. Sometimes it's going to be something else. But in this case, because one of these values is a constant or a number and the other one is a variable, I am going to find that least common denominator by multiplying these together. And I'm recognizing that my denominator should be 2x. Now, stop before you do any more math. It is so important that you come through and work your process of elimination. And we're going to get rid of answer B and we're going to get rid of answer C because they don't have the right denominator. There is no way I can change a denominator of 2x into a denominator that's 2 plus x. All right, so now we're down to 2. Now, you might be tempted to do more math again here, but instead we want to look at what math we should do rather than actually doing it. And what I mean by that is I want to just quickly compare the numerators in the two answers that I have remaining. And I'm going to notice that if I were to choose answer choice A, I would get that directly from multiplying 5z times 7. Well, if neither one of these fractions has the denominator that I need them to have, I need to recognize I'm going to be doing some more multiplication to those numerators. I don't care what that multiplication is, and it is vital that you do not take the time to figure that out in a question like this. Now, if you're a stickler and if you're going to spend the time figuring this out, you need to understand that there's students that are going to trump you with their math score because they're more comfortable knowing what the answer is not rather than proving what it is. Save your time, work smarter. See you soon.